Hello, good day everyone. Before we begin our discussion, I am Dante H. Polistico III, a grade 12 student currently enrolled at Kiara National High School. Our subject for today is Media and Information Literacy, taught by Mrs. Mary Grace in Totanes. Before we start our discussion, at the end of this lesson, you are expected to identify what is pertussis, what are the symptoms, and how are we going to avoid this kind of disease. What is pertussis? Pertussis, also known as whooping cough, is a highly contagious respiratory tract infection. It characterized by a severe hacking cough followed by a high-pitched intake of breath sounding like whoop. So pertussis is also known as whooping. Before the vaccine, whooping cough was mostly a childhood disease. Now it primarily affects children who haven't completed their vaccinations and adults and teens whose immunity has faded. Early symptoms may include slight fever, mild or occasional coughing, runny nose, a pause in breathing in babies. After the first week or second week, symptoms may include prolonged, repeated, or violent coughing episodes, whooping sound when inhaling, vomiting, exhaustion due to prolonged coughing. In pertussis disease, who is at risk? A pregnant women, babies, close contact to unknown case, weakened immune system, waning immunity, the elderly. Deaths from whooping cough are rare but occur most often in infants. That's why it's crucial for pregnant women and others in close contact with infants to get vaccinated. Symptoms typically appear 7 to 10 days after infection, starting with mild cold-like symptoms such as runny nose and sneezing. Later, severe coughing set in with thick mucus causing uncontrollable coughing fits. These fits can provoke vomiting, causes extreme fatigue, and sometimes lead to a high-pitched whoop sound when breathing in. Ways to prevent pertussis. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when coughing. Avoid coughing into your hands. Throw your tissues properly to avoid spread. Wash your hands and thoroughly use an alcohol-based sanitizer. Get your family vaccinated against pertussis once eligible. Talk to a doctor if you need to take preventive antibiotics, especially if a baby or pregnant mom is in the household, and that's the preventive measures against spreading whooping cough.